decision. We made really good time coming up. Traffic was moving almost as fast as I was, which I'm not going to tell you how fast I drive because it's not right. I thought I would head out to East Booth Bay where there's a cliff walk, and part of it's pretty technical that we normally can't get around because of the tides, but it looks like it's low tide today, so I figured I'd take a ride and check out the cliff walk. It's pretty cool. That's a little deep. So we all come out here once a year. We usually stop at the general store, grab some sandwiches, have a little picnic out in these rocks. It is probably one of the nicest places in this area to just hang out and listen to the waves. Think I'm joking? Let's look at this. So this is about as far as I've ever made it with the family. I'm going to try to pick my way through over there and head up towards that other point. Here we go. Made it. That was wet. Alright, I gotta dry my shoes so I can jump back across this thing now. Oh. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was a nice little jaunt down the cliffs and hanging out, shooting some photos. Can't get better than that. Take care, guys.